Hello there! In this video we are going to talk about how to take photos with zoom effects on them using our DSLR cameras. For this project I am going to use my Canon M50 and I will set my shutter speed to 0.5 seconds and the ISO and other settings according to the light of the room. I will simply zoom out when I press the shutter button on my camera and that will give us the effect. And I'm going to use my mouse, it has lights on it, so our effect will be nicer. Let's try it!
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is